I'm here at an accident, guys, on Lindsay and Brown at the canal. He said something about a non-breather, so this must be the wrong one. It's really windy out here. They got one car with the airbags went off. They're gonna have to tow it. It rear-ended the pickup truck. Looks like some kids. I wanted to try and find that non-breather because they were making it sound like it was a murder scene. But I don't know where it was located. I thought this was the one. They're just going to clear up this accident, get it out of the way. Telling her what he thinks happened, and they're going to write up the proper tickets. This car rear-ended, so it's usually automatically their fault. Usually when the camera shows up, other units show up. I apologize for the wind, guys. It is quite windy here today, which is nice because it's a nice cool breeze. I'm not going to stay here long, guys. I usually don't wait for the tow truck to get here, but the tow truck's here. So they'll wait till they get the road cleared. Being professional. Didn't even look at me. That's a good thing. Hey, Twin Mommy said, we want to be out of business. I want every cop watch to go the same. I go, film the incident. The cops don't say nothing to me. Nobody says anything to me. I get about 50-something videos in that category. Then I can quit. I'm out of business. But with what happens in these days, that will not happen. Thought I'd show you guys the ducks on our pond, or our little water system here. We got a male and female out there doing their little thing this morning. There's probably some eggs sitting somewhere. Now if there was, then they would be sitting on top of them. doing their thing. Okay, the truck pulled away. He didn't have much damage to his truck at all, and this car is totaled. I think I filmed this guy before. They'll throw the car up on the tow truck and be done with this. Got a screen up, but got it pointed the wrong way. She's just back there to control traffic, make them go around. Tow truck will back up. She finally got out of her car. She was the one writing the tickets. Put the car up on the just want to go to the body shop. Airbags are deployed, so usually when the airbags go off, they totaled it. If it's real windy, guys, I apologize. I try to speak up. I hate it when it's windy. A lot of times during these, the cop car usually gets hit in the ass. Happens occasionally.